Differences between cross and isolated modes. Cross mode. Margin sharing. In cross mode, your entire account balance acts as collateral for your open positions. This means that all the available funds in your account can be used to prevent liquidation of any open position. Risk management. This mode helps manage risk by using the available balance to cover potential losses across all positions, reducing the likelihood of a position being liquidated. Leverage. Cross mode utilizes the leverage across your entire account balance, which can be beneficial for experienced traders managing multiple positions. Isolated mode. Individual position margin. In isolated mode, each position has its own allocated margin. This means the margin you set for each position is isolated from your overall account balance. Risk management. Losses are limited to the margin allocated to each individual position, providing better control over the risk of each trade. Leverage. You can set different leverage levels for each position, allowing for more precise control over your trading strategy and risk exposure. Accessing cross and isolated modes on EXOLO. Hover on Trade and click on Futures. First, navigate to the EXOLO trading platform. Hover over the trade option in the main menu, and then click on Futures to open the Futures trading interface. Select between cross and isolated modes. Once you are on the Futures trading page, look at the top right corner of the interface. Here, you will see the option to select between cross and isolated modes. Simply click on the desired mode to set it for your trades. By understanding and selecting the appropriate mode, you can better manage your risk and trading strategy on EXOLO. That's how simple it is. That's it! You are all set to start using EXOLO Exchange. Feel free to reach out our support team.
Secure your crypto journey with EXOLO.